Guys, may nakita kami. Ikatlong Buddha. Okay, we're going home.
Bye, Bali!
Hey guys, good morning. So, this is our second stop. Water purification. This is water purification. Something. Taman Veggie Korea water. We're gonna get purified. Ayan. So, let's go. We're waiting for the Taman Veggie Korea water for purification. So, pag-uwi namin ng Philippines, bagong tao na kami.
Hindi na kami maaway, mangutsa. Uwi na kaming maaga.
Hey guys! So, andito na kami. We're gonna get purified. Yes. Okay. We're wearing Sarah and Bella. And Bella. This itinerary. It felt so good. To experience this.
Name bracelet 3.2. This is symbol for the protection yourself for the bad energy and bad luck. Three color of this, the symbol like three elements. Red for the fire, black for the water, and white for the air or earth. And this is the right I give you. We call bija, symbol for the prosperity and abundance. For your hand, you want to write like this one and go on the neck. Yes, and go on the neck. Close your eyes and you don't smell.
We're done. We're done. We're gonna go back. Nice and new experience. Good thing. Nag-iiba tayo palagi ng itinerary everyday. Sayang yung mama. Ayan yun. Anong tawag doon? Yung bata tayo. Yung maliit na Marie.
Hello everyone. So tapos na kami. Pinuntahan namin.
Anong pinuntahan natin?
Purification. Blessing. Blessing ya. And here's my companion ya. Say hi. Hey. Hey. Say hi ya.
Hey guys, we're done.
Alright, the aftermath of the purification ya. So naglalakad kami guys pabalik sa sasakyan. And it's so hot. Pero look at the view. Gutom na daw siya. Gutom na ako. Okay, so update na lang namin kayo mamaya guys. Bye bye.
So after the waterfall, kain kami dito sa very local place.
Local place daw to guys.
Gusto ko dun. Charot. For lunch. Hi
guys. It's already 1:17. Nakain pa lang kami ng lunch. Yay! Let's eat! Cheers! So, at 2:40 in the afternoon,
Hey everyone. Okay pa naman kami. Pero tapos
nasa
namin
temple kami, napakainit.
Yeah.
Napakagaling. Guys, may nakita kami. Ikatlong Buddha. Guys, so nandito na tayo sa Tanalot Temple. Sobrang init. Yan, namumroblema na kami sa mga gusto namin. Kasi,
Meron ka pang
kasi,
100.
kasi, wala namin pera.
Sarap ng boba ko.
Guys, ang masasabi ko lang ay, sobrang init. Sabi sa weather forecast, uulan daw. So, sa buong stay namin dito, so far walang ulan. And ngayon yung super init. Pinakamainit, right? Super.
Jack it up.
Hey guys! It's our last day here in Bali.
Popcorn chicken.
Sarap. Yeah.
I send my loyalty to you.
This is our view in our room. Yan. So, last day na namin. We're gonna swim dito lang sa hotel.
Sinasyogat ang mga tita kahapon, so deserve namin to.
Yes! Grabe. Ang pagod. Kala mo, anek.
Oh, shit.
Swim. Ay, Kakabahan ka pa ako.
Sige. Ayan na. O yan. Ayan na. One. Makaba. Makabawi man doon.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Okay. How's your trip in Bali?
I had so much fun here in Bali. You should guys come because there's a lot of beaches, islands, and beach clubs. So yeah, come to Bali.
Yeah.
Book that now, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Book that now, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Na-show ko itong mga bakla, oh. Okay, we're going home.
Bye, Bali. Thank you for the Monte experience.
Bye, Bali.
Iharap mo nga ito.
Yung ganda lang natin.
Wastelands through the